Hi guys, good morning. So here we will see animation in Android. So how we can create animation, so that we will see. So for that I am creating one new project. So with empty activity. So animation. So animation example with Kotlin. So first here we will see ClockWise animation. So how the ClockWise animation will come. So then we'll see later on, we'll see other animation. So for this, here in I'm changing this to linear layout. So this I'm changing as animation like text view. I'm changing as animation example. So let's load this. Once it is loaded, we will give the orientation and we'll apply here animation. So Android orientation. So Android orientation. So that is vertical. So meanwhile, I'll apply the data binding as well. So that is data binding is nothing but layout folder. So layout I'm applying here. Let's load this. Once it is loaded, we will go with the next step. So I'm taking one image view. So done. So I'm taking the for image view. I'm taking this SRC. So that is paper IC launch. So I'm taking this IC launcher. So for this, I'm taking one ID. So that ID is nothing but here ID. So the layout gravity center. So I aligned that is in the center. Then we applied here data binding, right? So we'll apply that. Before that, I'll take here one button. So once we click on this button, so I supposed to display the animation. So that animation is nothing but clock. So clockwise animation. So for that, I'm giving the text also clockwise. Clockwise. So that's it. I'm not giving any other text. So now we will apply the gradle here. So the gradle is data binding gradle. So data binding enabled equals to true. Let's sync now. So done. Okay. Here it is closing. Done. So now here we'll add the data binding. So that is where binding column. So what is the binding name? Activity main binding. So here we will handle the nullify condition. Done. So here we need to add that binding equal to, so data binding util dot, right here, we need to import this, import here context. So I added the context, right? So then now here we need to see that we need to add binding dot iv dot, sorry, clockwise for the button. Once click on the button, we are applying this animation. So I applied the listeners. So now here I want to apply a bind animation, right? So for this animation, first what I need to do is, so I need to start animation thing. So for that, first I need to declare here one animation. So globally here I'm declaring where animation colon. So that is a animation. So even for this also we'll apply the animation. This is done. Right now here, for this also I'm writing one line in here. So that is animation equal to animation So animation details is the predefined. From there we are loading the animation, load animation. So here is the context, comma. So here we need to give the r dot anim dot. So this we are giving the clockwise, right? So I'm giving as clockwise. Okay, so animation. Then I'll write here binding dot iv dot start animation of above what we declared the animation type. So that animation I'm putting here. But now for this here in our resources file, here we need to create one new folder. So that is a new directory. So directory name called as anim. So I created anim. So within this anim, so here we need to create a one animation. So that is a, just we added what we added clockwise, right? So animation resource file. So clockwise. See, whatever the name here I created, with this name I created one animation file here. So within this, what we need to write here. So this is a default, it will come as a set. So here set of this we need to write. First we need to write the rotate. So what we need to write in a rotate. So from degree, so where it would start from the 0 and 2 degrees. So up to 360. So then for this, we need to give some extra pivot X. So it will 50% I'll give, means 50% it will reduce, it will rotate. And pivot Y, it means in Y direction and X direction, it will got some animation. So then duration. So what is the duration of this pivot? So is the issue here. Pivot X, pivot Y, then Android colon duration. So the duration I'll give 5 seconds. Then I'll close this rotate. So this is the rotate. So this is clockwise, right? So now we will run this and we'll see how this animation is performing here. Just I connected my mobile. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm running this. So meanwhile, I'll open the visor. Yeah, let's run this. We will see this output and we'll go to the next animation. It is running slowly. Let's run this. Yeah, it is done. It is launching. So I'm clicking on this. So it is rotated in a 360, right? So this is clockwise animation. So we'll see next animation in next video. Thank you. Thank you for watching this.